Hi foodies, welcome to yet another episode of Easy and Delicious. Today's recipe is Misaal, Kolhapuri spicy Misaal. You can have this with fresh baked pav and enjoy with your family. Now you must have had Misaal a lot of times, but this is one delish recipe. I guarantee you will make it again and again. So are you ready? Let's get started. Come on.
I usually like to use a combination of mixed pulses which I soak and hydrate overnight. You can use any of your choice.
Now you can add any pulses of your choice. Just make sure you soak them well overnight to hydrate so that they cook quickly.
We will cook these with some water until soft and they break easily. It will take some time for these to cook, but I prefer to cook these without pressure cooker. Once cooked, these will break easily and we'll keep it aside for a while. Now this recipe calls for a little more oil than usual, but feel free to use less if you like. We will add these flavorful seasonings, herbs and spices for one amazing dish. Just mix and cook for a few seconds. We will cook the onions until nice and golden and then go ahead with the next step. Try to chop the tomatoes fine for them to cook quickly. Once the oil separates, we will go ahead with the spices. Now this is Kolhapuri masala, and since it's a nice and spicy dish, I have used quite a good amount of it. Paprika will make this dish nice and vibrant. Just give it a good mix and we will cook this adding hot water. You will start seeing a layer of oil separating on top. That's when we will add the cooked pulses and beans. Now the aroma is so amazing that I can't wait to have this. Check out the picture for serving ideas. We will half cover and cook this to mix well and come together, and the oil separates on top. Wow, look at how awesome this looks. Garnish and our Misaal is ready. And thank you for watching.
That was one delish recipe, right? I'll be showing you a lot of quick and easy recipes in the future. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified with any new recipe I post every week. And if you like this recipe, you know what to do. Leave your comments below, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.